kami. Saka or Mr. Kira namin. What?
This is it.
Ito nga misa. Muto.
Yeah.
Laom na kayo. Na diha parte ng lama. Yang among giagian.
It's a water spring. Some water there.
Yeah. Dara among giagian no. Kana ra gyud. Gikan sa ubos. Wala pa gyud rails.
Orange juice, no?
Oh yeah.
Gusto ka?
Mhm.
Orange juice.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Namis bukid. Bukid sa Zion.
Sa Busay, how did it Busay?
Bukid sa Zion. Canyon.
Okay, right here. Cheers up!
At least pila itong nakat-kat abi. Mga 2 miles to no. Hindi na may mukat-kat dito ay. Dapat na kayong kuwan. Nagkurog na mong mga tiil. Nga among sapatos, di good intended sa walking. Na, falls naman sa ni abi oh. Maligdas o niya, maligdas niya ko dere. Patay. Abi, padaplin dito, abi kay maligas niya ta dere.
Mag-south sa tubig.
Oh, hindi na ako. Kaya nangurog akong tiil. Kaya pang-pang na sa ubos, oh. Magdakag water spring. Magdabag kag water spring.
No, nadagang water spring there.
So, dili ko pwede maka-video ba padung sa kaabi no. Let's get pag video magdag cellphone. Tingali kong naatay. Ay. No, I'm good. Magpaabot na ng kanilang ate dere.
Yeah, do that.
Hi. What? It's a water? Drinking water? What? Tinaw siya? Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
It's your spring right here.
No, I don't know. Huh? No.
Good.
Kuan ilain na ha kanang imong gikuan yan na isagol sa mga no ayun na isagol sa mga bato of water. Matingag dito silang kuya. Wala man. Ha.
His water.
Love. They want the water.
No. Just don't drink it.
Ah.
It's toxic.
Really?
Poisonous.
No?
Yeah.
I already drink.
Yeah, only a little bit won't hurt you,
Yeah,
but
it's
don't,
okay. Yeah.
don't drink no more.
Okay, thank
It's
you.
really bad algae in there.
All right, thank you for the reminder.
Yes, sir.
We don't trust the nature no more then?
Not
this one.
With this, it's because of there's a certain type of algae that grows,
Oh, okay.
and it's really bad. It's a toxic algae.
Yeah, Christian never die with the poison, so I'm good with that.
Thank
Good
you.
reminders though. Yeah. Thank you, same here. Have a great day.
Iko na na. Iabo na na. Ano sa ako palagay?